Hello and welcome to Lloyd South Lakes BMW. Today we have this 118D Sport. This is a 5-door hatchback, finished off in Melbourne red and metallic, and is an August 2020 registered vehicle. The particular car's got the 17-inch bi-coloured alloy wheel. This car also benefits from the rear sun protection glass, that's the rear tinted windows. Into the boot. Whoops, I'm going to open the car first. Make it easier. A split way folding rear seat arrangement there. Very handy luggage straps and 12-volt sockets. Got a nice false floor as well, which lifts up and clips out the way if you just need that extra boot capacity. Also folds down in place. Like so. Into the rear of the car. Got the cloth and Sensatec interior finish, nice detailed for the centre seats there. It's nice contrast stitching as well. Rear passengers have some USB-C charge points there for mobile devices and some airflow controls. Into the front of the car. It's got the digital dashboard, analog dials with a LCD central screen. Got the OS 7 mid operating system there. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats. Fantastic 6-speed manual gearbox. Obviously being the sports model, do have the fabulous sports seats, lots of side bolster support, and plenty of adjustment on those as well to get a lovely, comfortable driving position. If you'd like a more detailed video of this car, please do get in contact or need more information on it, and one of our sales executives will be more than happy to help.